It did get squirrely. He cut that light on him. See that old fuel injection 2020 ass shit. Other side, the Mustang. Yeah, that 2020 shit take off too slow. That boy Troy just came in, all that computerized. The got his ass towed up. He got super trees. Nah, they got some new shit going on. They putting them turbos. They putting them turbos on them Midnight Performers. I think they the best out there that's putting turbos on Coyote motors and got them things running. Wait a minute. Got this Mustang up here. What's up with it, Bobby McKinney? Man, that old Buchanans ain't kicked in yet. I'm still waiting. I
like this little car right here.
You like that? Lale.
You like that?
She like that.
That show take forever to get back to the bag up, man.
Yeah, they know how to bag up slow. My cash app ready, y'all.
Yeah, we got the hipper bag up.
Oh, they say that's white boy Rick in the right lane. Fuel injection is better than carb, better response, throttle response. Yeah, but it take a lot to initiate that throttle response. I bet I bet it didn't beat that trans brake. You might say, yeah, it beat the fuel injection, beat it the carburetor. But did he beat that trans brake? What about that? What you gonna say about that? He didn't beat that. Damn, left lane with the wind had to be. But anyway, man, y'all really think I can whoop the throttle is literally connected to a carburetor. Yeah, but they can't. Dang, I'm talking about the leave, the takeoff. When that light turn green or that headlamp come on, all that computer stuff on them fuel injections take longer than that trans brake. I'm off the carburetor. I'm talking about taking off and telling all that computer, hey, go, put the timing right here. Put it right here. Ramp it, ramp up. That shit too slow. Team carburetor. Oh, Jackie's saying the same thing. Man, Jackie, I'm ready to go and see what that small block you talking about working with. I got a small block, you got a small block. I'm pretty sure you got one of them old power glides or something. Or do you got a turbo 400? You know they say that 4L80 just like a turbo 400. I'm gonna try to run that against you. Oh, dang, Jackie gonna beat me? Damn, she gonna do me like that, God, dang. Damn, they talking about Jackie gonna gap me and make me a meme. God damn. Ooh, I'm in trouble, huh? Never mind, Jackie. I'm sorry, Jackie. I don't want no problem. They said you way out. Damn. We got Bob Ross. He said he got his Midwest Street Car t-shirt on. He love you, Chief. He said I'm the lowest sub count that he watched. Man, I've been trying to get it up like a mug. I don't know. I ain't got the cheat code, man. I don't know what it is. I think left lane won that. Oh, shit. Right lane won, though. God damn. Jackie, we need to, I'm ready to put some stipulations on the race. You got to make the race fair. You trying to just straight gap me. Hell nah, you got to make the race fair, man, like Pinks did. I'm standing across from where Limpy at. Oh, I think it's time to go get them stickers, y'all. Oh, look at that big lookout shirt right there, boy. He love, boy. That's my boy right here, y'all. Look out, man. Look out. Already, man. He didn't want it. Yeah, I got my boy with the lookout hat. Yeah, man, it's going down. Like, yeah, they be rocking it, man. I sure appreciate y'all. One time for the one time. No, I got shirts in the car. What you need, a large? Look out. What is it? Hey, I got large in the car. What you need, a large? Alright, I'm finna go get it right now. A large? A large? Alright, I'll be right back. Let me get paid, y'all. Get paid, look out, get paid. Get paid, look out, get paid. Crib so big that it came with a maid.